In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Outlook. We'll go from opening Outlook to sending a trackable task to a teammate so you can delegate clearly and stay on top of deadlines. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. The feature we're using lives in the desktop app and it's designed to work seamlessly with your mailbox. Next, go to Tasks. Depending on your layout, you'll find the Tasks icon in the navigation pane. If you don't see it immediately, look for the More Icons menu and select Tasks from there. This view shows your personal task list and is the hub for creating and managing task assignments. Click New Task in the top left corner of the window. This opens a blank task form where you'll set everything up before you send it. In the subject field, enter a clear action-oriented task name. Keep it specific so the recipient instantly understands what needs to be done. You can add more context in the body of the task, like objectives, links, or milestones, to reduce back and forth later. Now click Assign Task on the ribbon at the top. This converts your draft into a task request and adds a To line, so Outlook can route and track it properly. In the To field, type the recipient's email address or choose them from your address book. Double check spelling to ensure the request reaches the right person. If you're delegating to a group, send separate tasks to each person, so progress is tracked individually. Set the start date and due date. Choose dates that reflect when work should begin and when it must be finished. Align the due date with any dependencies on your side, so follow-up work isn't blocked. If needed, adjust status and priority. Status options like not started or in progress describe where the work stands at the moment you send it. Priority lets the recipient know how urgent it is. Use high only when timing truly matters to keep your queue meaningful. When everything looks good, click send. Outlook will deliver a formal task request. After the recipient accepts, the task lands in their tasks list and your copy stays linked for tracking. As they update or complete the work, Outlook can keep your copy in sync and notify you when it's done. That way you get clear ownership, dates and visibility without juggling separate emails, and that's all it takes to assign tasks in Outlook quickly and confidently.